In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive records in Airtable. Archiving is a great way to keep your base clean and focused without actually deleting any information. Instead of removing records permanently, you simply move them out of your main working views so they're out of the way, but still available whenever you need them. I'll walk you through a simple setup that uses fields and views you can reuse in almost any base. Let's start by creating a status field. Open your table and add a new field. You can choose either a single select field or a checkbox field, depending on how you like to work. If you use a single select field, call it something like status and add at least one option named archived, along with your regular options such as active, in progress, or anything that fits your workflow. If you prefer a checkbox, you might name it archive, so it's clear that checking that box means this record is no longer active. The important idea is that you now have a clear indicator on every record that tells Airtable whether it should show up in your main working views or be treated as archived. Next, we'll filter your active views so you only see the records you're currently working with. Go to your primary view, usually a grid view where you spend most of your time. Open the filter settings. If you created a status single select field, set a filter that says status is not archived. This tells Airtable to hide any record you've marked as archived. If you opted for the checkbox method, filter for records where archive is unchecked. Once that filter is in place, your everyday view will automatically stay clean. As soon as you mark a record as archived, it disappears from this view, but it's not deleted. Finally, let's create a dedicated archive view so you can still access those older records whenever you need them. Add a new grid view and name it archive, so it's easy to recognize. In this view, set the opposite filter. If you're using the status field, filter where status is archived. If you're using the checkbox, filter where archive is checked. This creates a separate space where all archived records live. You can sort or group them by date, owner, or project, and they'll stay safely stored without cluttering your main workspace. With this setup, you get the best of both worlds: a clean, focused main view for active work, and a reliable archive view that preserves your history whenever you need to look back.